Hi girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. Now firstly, apologies for not posting a lot recently. Really busy with loads of cars, projects, etc. We'll update you as we go. So we have got a Fiesta ST non-pop and bang. You'd be happy to know this does not have a pop and bang map, because if it is, I wouldn't allow it in my workshop because I hate them. So the job we've got on this little bad boy today is we're fitting a Finsport. Now, the reason why I'm really putting emphasis on the Finsport is because I called it a Finsport a minute ago, and this definitely isn't the second time I've had to do this because I got the wording completely wrong. So we have a Finsport crossover pipe, which will be going around here. And the customer wanted to do it, but he didn't know how to do it, and he couldn't find a video online. So we thought, well, let's make one. We've got the pipe, we've got the capabilities apparently. So we're going to install that. So stick around, let's get it done. So next thing, let's show you what's in the box. So this is what you get in the kit. So I've just been informed this is a 3-inch bad boy, all very nice. And the one on the car is a 1.5 inch. Got this nice little spacer with some red anodized Ford ST bits on it. Very nice, very schwanky. Couple of silicons, and it comes with all the jubilees and everything. And as the customer so rightly got excited about 2 seconds ago, some nice Finsport stickers. Lovely. So this is in preparation for more power. Customer's going up to, I don't talk stages, he's just getting bigger turbo and stuff, so we need one of these on. One thing, when you fit this, the engine cover is no longer of any use, so just launch that in his boot. So I'm not exactly sure, so I know that goes to turbo. I'm probably going to just take all of this off. Don't know if it replaces that or not. I think it just goes up to here. And then we make that out of the silicone join that we've got, and all the other little bits and bobs. Maybe the breathers around here need to be changed. Like I say, I'm sure I fitted something similar to another customer's car, but in the meantime, let's just get on with it. Now, from what I can see, in order to fit this nicely, the scuttle panel has to come off. So to get that off, we're going to take the wiper arms off, and then there's just a series of clips. Bosh, bosh, bosh. Unhook that, get that out of the way. Scuttle panel, wiper arms off. Let's get them done. Right, so you've got wiper blades off and you've removed the scuttle panel of them clips. Then it's just a couple of 10 mils. So you've got one there, and I think that comes out, and then we have loads of room for activities. I lied to you. Said it was 2 bolts. It's 4 bolts. You need to undo the headlight because you've got another one there. You remove 2 Torx and you've got another one there. And then you can get that whole thing out. Because hiding bolts behind the headlights is a thing. 10 out of 10 Ford for your insane planning. So now we have all the room for activities. Got a feeling we're going to be removing it from here. Removing that because I think it comes with a new pipe. Sorry, that was off camera. Undo that, be very gentle with that. I don't know. No, that doesn't need to come off. Sweet. And then just some 10s, and then whatever's held on down there, some wiring. So let's work it back. We'll take it off from there, we'll take it off from there, we'll take it off from there. I might take it out in sections just to make my life easier. Let's work it out. First things first, undo the annoying clip. So start stripping that off, that's off. 10 mil there, that was an 11 mil for the engine cover thing. Engine cover thing is this engine cover thing. And then down here, can't really see it, there is a jubilee there. Terrible focus there. Yeah, that jubilee there. We're going to undo that, and then we're going to take the rest of this pipe out. All right, so we're about, give or take a few minutes, approaching the half an hour mark. We're all stripped. This is all off. Inlet pipe down there. That does look like a leak, but it's not. It's an old leak. It's been fixed since. So now we're going to start fitting the new stuff. Just need to kind of piece it together on the car and hopefully save you some time. This is going to be the longest bit, working out which bit goes where to where to where to where to there. So let's piece it all up and then we'll let you know. All right, so I had a few minutes with some R&D because there is not a lot of information about this. So you need the small angulation. That needs to come out before anyone says anything, because that goes up there. The spacer goes on here. There is another one of these. So that would go there. That changes and that goes in there. So Allen key for that one. And then here you've got a wiring blank that goes into a thread, and that goes in there. And then this one goes down and on there. And I believe that's the game. And obviously you've got a big red pipe that goes here. We're not going to put that on yet until everything's all gravy. So I'm going to build it from the back moving forward. So it's going to all come off again. That goes on, jubilee it, lovely, jubilee, connect, bish, bash, bosh, rebuild, start it up, wom, bom, 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 bom. Nearly there. For some reason I've tightened that and I've tightened it bent. Look at that, it's gonna wind me up. That one's okay. Still need to take this out to click that pot onto that. That's tight, that's on, let's not put that pipe there. I put the bottom jubilee on, but then I went to go put the top jubilee on and dropped it, got annoyed, moved over here because if I tell you, my phone has not stopped bloody ringing while doing this job. Could have probably had this done within an hour, but it's been non-stop interruptions. This is, I mean, there's a lot of the stuff you don't see while we're making these videos and, you know, it all seems all quite nice and easy. But running a business and doing social media, very difficult. Anyway, enough moaning, back to the car. Lower one tight, upper one tight. Tight, like a tiger, tight. I've re-straightened that one out and got that perfect because it was really annoying me. Now, just this one here. And I've been told that apparently it makes a different noise. It makes it a little bit more of a, it makes a different noise, I've been told. Who knows? We'll find out in a minute. I believe the customer will probably want to do a sound test, so why not? And it's on. Now, gonna put that back on and put more stuff back on. But we are nearly there. Well, we are there. We just got to now fit this stuff that, you know, we occasionally need. We are going to clean all that crap up, though. That's not nice. There we have it. She's all in, fits really nice. That groove has kind of pleased me ever so slightly. So we're just gonna clean it up a little bit and then, yeah, take it for a little test. All right, she's all on. I tested for leaks. We've not found any boost leaks, which is good, but it is induction, so it's not gonna make too much issue, but obviously, AMS meter, if you do have any leaks, you will get the engine management light on, but so make sure everything is nice and tight. So this one is done. Obviously, like, subscribe to the channel, really does help, so thank you very much. So as I said, this is the Finsport crossover pipe fitted, done, thank you.